My video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications that come from the site Housedating.top. Housedating.top is the website that tries to trick its visitors into actually subscribing to its multiple pop-up advertisements in the form of web push notifications. Housedating.top tries to make you click on this allow button integrated into the website. The website says that people need to click on allow to watch the video. In reality, it is a mistake to do that. If you click on allow, you will be redirected to some other deceitful and sometimes very filthy websites that may display really inappropriate content. And what's more, you will start receiving a lot of multiple advertisements in the right part of your computer screen. And these ads are really bad. They may promote some potentially unwanted or malicious software. If you have clicked on allow button, you should urgently fix your browser, and this is how you can do it. Go to the menu, go to settings. Choose privacy and security, then site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So now you need to remove all these malicious sites that we have been talking about. Housedating.top. So click on this button and delete it from the list. You also may delete other malicious websites that are causing similar troubles on your screen. Make sure you get rid of all of them. If you see plenty of such sites that are displaying these intrusive ads, I recommend researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, download the installer, start the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.